And there she is. Probably one of my rarest models. Empire B42. Here it's marked as, oh, B42, sorry. Hotpoint B42. Sold in the UK. And if you notice that, 200 volts, 900 watts, quite a lot. Yeah, so this is a super rare model. They're rare enough as an Empire, but to find one what's badged as a Hotpoint, exactly the same machine. Very solid machines. You know, I'm just doing its maintenance run. Do like to run them now and again. Too many of them sit on the shelf and don't get used. I like to use my models. So this is we're on 240 volts. That says 200 there. So I've got that on 80%. So we should be where we are. Shame that don't have a meter on it, so I know where I am. I'll probably have to go for something a bit more expensive, but got that off of Amazon. But yeah, it's a lovely little model. It's heavy, it's really heavy. Double twin everything, everything's solid. The pressure safety pressure release valves are in the chimney, inside the chimneys. You can't see them down there, but that's where they are. This chimney unscrews, and that's where your pressure gauge is. Not pressure gauge, a safety valve. I always forget on these whether that's open or that's open. So we'll see. But it does run. It's a little bit of smoke coming up because I spray them with WD-40 when I'm not using them, just to protect them really. Same as you'd do if you was an old motorbike. Spray everything with metal during the winter with a bit of WD-40 and wipe it down in the spring. Yeah, lively models. I think even though these are relatively rare, or really rare, the parts you can get the parts from, because that would have been I think a B30, and there's a lot of B30s around, and all the parts are interchangeable. So if you come across one of these, you won't struggle getting parts. It's just two of everything. So it needs a whistle. There's supposed to be like a top to that, for the whistle. I've never had it. Just for the whistle to work. Perhaps I could make one. Don't look too difficult. But yeah, it's a very unusual model. I'm going to do a little series on my twin cylinder engines. I'm repairing one at the moment, the Dole Locomobile twin cylinder. And then once I've got that repaired, I'm going to get all my twin cylinder engines out. There'll be this, there'll be my Walesko D32, there'll be my new Marklin 16051, which is a beautiful machine. Yeah, and what else have I got as twin cylinder? Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, so I've got to get the twin cylinder ones out. I'm going to do a few series. So that'll be the twin cylinder one. This at the moment is part of the American weekend. All the American ones seem to be solid, really solid. This is a heavy machine. If you weigh it, it's heavy. Then I'm going to do another series of my Stirling engines. I must have about 15 Stirling engines. Not as many as some people, but you know, I've got some reasonable Stirling engines, and I want to do like a little series on them. I can hear that boiling now. I'm still working on my 2 traction engines, but not too much progress on them at the moment, so I haven't done any videos, nothing to say. Yeah. I could do a pressure gauge. Pressure gauge would be nice. I don't think they ever came with pressure gauges. It's got 2 takeoffs. It'll be quite a powerful machine once it gets going. It's got two takeoffs for your for transmission to run some toys. I think I've seen some Empire. I've seen a big windmill. I would have bought it, but it was so tall. It's just a bit too big. Never sure which way is on and off on these. I can hear it boiling there anyway. I've done this last time I've done a video. Whether if that's open. No, I don't think that's open. Yeah, I think that's open. Yeah, that's open. Hear the condensation now. Come on, girl. Nearly, getting there. Come on, girl. I think we're in. I think we're in. What about that? It's quite a machine, this one. Got quite big pistons. Steam's up now. Looks like it's got a bit of scour in there. I'll have to put some descaler in it. Anyway, this is part of my American engines weekend, and this one is probably the most special. But I just said on the one of the other videos that I've got a Whedon coming, and that is from 1890. And when that arrives, that will be my oldest steam engine. And it still looks like in solid condition. I've only seen photographs. But it's on its way from America now. It'll probably be 2 weeks before it gets here. Yeah, so if you like this sort of thing, guys, do a like and subscribe. I'm running these old engines all the time. I do maintenance runs, I do reviews, I do some restoration. Do all sorts really. But yeah, so this is definitely my rarest American engine, and probably one of my rarest out of all the engines I've got. I don't know anyone else has seen one of these. I've never seen one for sale. Hotpoint B42. Right, turn that off now, and that'll start slowing down. It's like turning the flame out. Anyway guys, I'll leave it there. What a lovely machine, eh? And the mine don't just sit on the shelf, they all get used. So, catch you again soon. Take care.